Hi folks, Ron Ray here with Turning 65 Solutions. I don't do a whole lot of videos in my car, but I just got a call from one of my clients and I'm mad right now, so I just kind of got to get this out there and get it off my chest. I got a call from a client and she told me that she had gotten a phone call from somebody and told her that her Medicare supplement policy was going to be canceled effective tomorrow and that she needed to do something about that. She needed to get a new one. Well, obviously, very rightly being concerned, she got worried about that. Now, she did the right thing. She hung up and promptly called me, and I was able to verify that there was absolutely nothing wrong with her policy. It is, in fact, in force and will continue in force tomorrow. And the same thing with her prescription drug coverage. And what this was I got the phone number and called it back, and guess what? Well, it's not in order. It doesn't even ring. It just goes right straight back to a dial tone. And what this is, folks, you may be getting these calls. There's a lot of them out there. This was some scammy, scummy, out-of-state telephone Medicare agent trying to scare people into buying a policy from them. This is absolutely the worst, bottom of the barrel as far as insurance agents go. This is absolutely the worst, and it is actually illegal to scare people, especially seniors, into buying a product from them. Don't ever, please don't ever do business over the phone with somebody you don't know. Even if you get a call from a good agent, and let me just say that there are a lot of good agents that work over the phone that sell across state lines and work over the phone, and you may never meet them in person, and they're perfectly good agents. Here's how you know. Number one, check them out. While you're on the phone with them, make them give you their insurance license number. What state are they calling from? Are they licensed in your state? We work in the state of Texas, so my clients get calls from mainly from Florida and also from the Philippines. A lot of agents will employ Filipino telemarketers because they can pay them for $3 an hour in the Philippines. Get their insurance license number and then look them up. You've got a computer, you've got Google, you've got them right there in your pocket on your smartphones nowadays. Go to your state's Department of Insurance, and every state's Department of Insurance website has a way to look up agents. It's all public information. If you type my name into the Texas Department of Insurance website, my name and my address and my license number and all the companies that I represent will be right there disclosed for you right there on their website. You can do that with anybody that calls on the phone. Second, another good way to know if they are legitimate agents or not is to get a callback number from them and hang up and call that number and see if they answer. A lot of times these numbers are not even their phone numbers. The numbers that show up on your caller ID, they're just stealing other people's phone numbers so that you don't see some weird out-of-country or out-of-state number. They're using local phone numbers in their caller ID systems to trick you into picking up the phone and answering the phone because you see a local phone number in your caller ID. Hang up, call that number back. If it's not them answering the phone, they are not a reputable, ethical, legitimate insurance agent. Don't do business with them. Don't ever give your personal identifying information, your driver's license number, your date of birth, your social security number, your Medicare number, your bank account number, your credit card number. Don't give any of those things to anybody over the phone before you have verified who you're talking to and that they are an actual ethical, reputable insurance agent licensed in the state where you live. Not just the state where they live, but they must be licensed in the state where you live as well. There's a couple of tips. You guys are getting bombarded with telephone calls. These telemarketers have just gone nuts with Medicare in the last about 18 to 24 months. They were always bad, but they've really gotten bad in the last few months. Please be careful. Please look out for yourself. Please look out for your family members if you've got family members on Medicare and you're seeing this video right now. If you have any doubts at all, call a local agent that you know or that you've seen around your area. They'll be glad to help you out. If you still have questions or doubts, give me a call. I'm happy to help you anytime. My phone number's down at the bottom. You can also click on the button below and get some more information from us. Please be careful, be safe out there, folks. We'll see you later.